Hey guys, today I'm working with a LG French door refrigerator with bottom pull-out freezer, as you can see there. And I've got it plugged in. I've got it hooked up to water, so I'm going to show you that all that works. And the ice maker is actually in the freezer on this one. Scoop up some of the ice here. You get a nice little bucket. So that's where you get your ice and water. It's right here. So you can see all that works perfect. That's good to go. The light works. And then I'm going to show you that, of course, inside it is nice and cold like it's supposed to be. A little chilly out here in the garage, and I've got the shelves pulled out, so I'll put that back in. You can see that for the pictures, but you can see nice and cold inside. And actually, let's see. I need to take a picture of that for the ad there. Picture. And you can see all the lights and everything works. The only thing this fridge is missing is a little flapper door right here, which you can buy those for like $5 on eBay. Down here, we'll shoot this right inside. You can see -9, and I think it's set to like -2. That fluctuates a little bit as it goes through its defrost cycle. But you can see it's super cold in the freezer. Take that picture. I still have to wipe it down just a little bit, but otherwise, this fridge is almost in like new condition, minus that missing little flapper shelf there. Everything else is in excellent condition. There's no breaks or no cracks or anything like that on any of the shelves. Everything works perfect. So I just wanted to do a quick video so you could see that it was nice and cold like it's supposed to be. Everything works great, and you can check out the pictures for the rest of the condition as soon as like I said, I'm going to go through and just kind of clean it out real fast and wipe it all down and put those shelves back in there. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.